Hi guys, Piotr here. This is Forex Global YouTube channel and we are going to discuss the trading strategy. Each and every Friday I'm going to try to prepare few informations about the different strategies. Today we are going to discuss Bali strategy, trading Bali strategy, designed to day traders, for you guys all around looking for the trading opportunities each and every day. That could be something very useful. The only advice from my side, you are going to get the details of the setups, but in my opinion, trying to adopt sometimes something to who am I, what kind of the trader I am, it could be useful as well. Note that the indicators in the Bali trading strategy are selected so they provide an early signal to buy and sell. This gives a trader more time to confirm the market moves and to check the fundamental factors. Well, in the description you are going to get the link to the two indicators. So you can obtain for free in the archive section via the link. Again, you are going to be able to find the link in the description. I'm talking about the trend envelopes version 2, and I'm talking about the DSS of momentum. The third one, moving average, is a standard MT4 tool. So what I'm going to talk about is when to open the long and when to open the short position. What we have, first thing first, we do have 48 linear weighted moving average, the red color, right? Then we have blue and orange. That's the trend envelopes versus or version 2. And at the bottom, at the very bottom, we do have DSS of momentum. When we are talking about the confirmation, how does it look like, and how we might to try to take the advantage of the market. So let's try to discuss the conditions to open a long position. So first thing first, we do have the price break through the orange line, and we might discuss that for example here, right? So here we do have a break of the orange line of the trend envelope, all right? At the same candlestick, right? Once we close through the orange line, look that we guys change from the orange to the blue rising line, all right? That's quite significant development over here. Okay, that's quite a significant change. So that's the number one very important point. The point number 2 is that the candlestick, this rising price, also closed above the red moving average, all right? Linear weighted moving average, all right? The candlestick, just for you to know, must close above this moving average, and we must have blue line when it comes to the trend envelopes at the signal candlestick. So in both cases, right, the criteria, we met the criteria. So the next thing we have to check in addition is the line of the DSS of the momentum at the signal candlestick. So let's have a look. Let's have a look what we are going to have here, right? And should be green, and as you can see, we just changed the color to the green one here as well, and we are, as you can see, we are above blue dotted line, and meaning that we are above the signal line. All right, so of course I'm trying to show you the ideal example of the trade setup in the real life. You should remember that it's a not holy grail, right? But if you are going to follow, then there is a possibility, there is a big chance it might be profitable for you. In that case, we are entering at the very next candle. So at the entry of that candle, that's gonna be our entry, okay? And the distance of the stop loss is around 20 to 25 pips. So let's have a look where we have 25 to the downside, 117.53 in that case, right? And upside 40 to 50. In that case, we hit the target quite quickly, right? We hit the target quite quickly. So let's try to find the setup and the conditions when we are going to try to go short. Okay, let's change the currency. We know that the lately pound been going lower. Let's have a look if we met somewhere the criteria to try to go long. So the first thing, meet criteria to try to go short. First thing first, we should have the change of the color from the blue to the orange when it comes to possible short setup. All right, so we got the close and change here. Okay, but in that particular candle we did not close below the linear weighted moving average, right? It happened on the very next candle, right? But guys, again, what happened? We didn't get the confirmation when it comes to the DSS of the momentum, all right? So this particular setup, that probably would be the best to try to avoid this this setup. All right, so let's move forward. Let's move forward. All right, let's move forward. Red, orange, orange, orange. Below, below, below. Yes, turn light for a while. Turned blue for a while, then orange again on the break below. Okay, we are below the linear weighted moving average, and right at the open of the next candle over here with 25 pips stop. As I mentioned, it's not holy grail. In that case, we would be hit, our stop would be hit. Anyway, so let's get back a little bit to the left. Let's look for another good example when it comes to the short position. We are looking again first for a change of the color from the blue to the orange, and we have something here. At the same time, we are closing below the moving average. At the same time, we have the orange color. In that case, 40 to 50 to the downside, and we hit the target, So that's how the things looks like when it comes to the Bali strategy. Very easy to try to adopt to the trading conditions. If you are going to follow the details, you are going to find the details in the description as well. It's quite easy, very popular, especially when it comes to the majors. It is possible to trade on the hourly chart, but if you can adopt, if you can work, if you have a time to test, maybe on a 15-minute chart, trying to adopt new setups, just do your homework, guys. It's been developed to trade on the hourly chart, but I'm currently testing on a smaller time frame as well, trying to automate this strategy. Anyway, it was my pleasure to prepare this update for you. Again, each and every Friday we are going to discuss some trading strategies. It was my pleasure. Take care, guys. See you around. Goodbye.